Hello, Marcus here. Um, I'm having a tree removed, and it's hopefully gonna fall here in a minute. So, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. I want to give a shout out to my girlfriend, Hope. This one's for you, babe. I hope you like it. So, as you can see, they're working on trying to get the rope prep. They've cut it a little bit, if you see right there, to try to get it. So there's the cut in the tree, and this long part is the part that's going to be falling. Okay, I'll bring you guys back in when the tree falls, and I'll get you some pictures of before it falls and after it falls at the end of the video. Hey guys, I just want to give a quick shout out to Harold and his brother, as well as my dad, for helping with this tree project, guys. So you guys are much appreciated. Let's back to the video now, guys. Here we go. Okay, everyone, so I missed the tree falling because I had to go and get something to drink, but this is basically the aftermath, what you're seeing here. I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of dark out. But this is the tree that has fallen. And if you can look right here, there was a squirrel's nest in there. And that's what the inside of the tree looked like. And then if you kind of go over this way, and you step over the thing, you can see there's more rotten
That's
stuff.
all clear all the way up and going up in there too.
Yeah. Oh my. That's pretty massive. But yeah. But like, see, like right here is where it was really held on there, like really good.
Yeah. This is where you stored your good stuff with.
Yeah.
Look at all those bugs in there. Yeah. But your hull will clear up in there too.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that, guys. So yeah, I'm sorry I wasn't able to get the fall on camera, but I at least will give you the aftermath of it.
Now tomorrow, just sit here and change.
We'll probably need to use that.
So, but yeah, so there's logs and stuff. But yeah, there's more of the log and stuff like that, and got weed stuff, and don't know if you can see it, but there's logs and stuff laying there on the ground. If I can find a way to enhance the picture, I will, guys. Okay, there we go. So there you have a better picture of it. Better look at it. There's the logs stuff.
As far as when you're done with that, go take the ladder back.
Okay. So yeah, it's a pretty interesting thing, guys. So yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, let's roll the slideshow, shall we?